let us focus on the next AI visual, that is your Q&A. So you can have a Q&A from here. If you click on this Q&A, you will be getting a visual that is your Q&A, or you can go and get it from your visual section also, visuals pane also. If I click on that, you will be getting a visualize Q&A option here. Or the best option is you can just double click on your report page or your canvas page, double click, automatically you will be getting a Q&A. So this Q&A feature of Power BI makes Power BI so much popular and so powerful. So why I'm telling you all this is, for this Q&A works like a natural language processing. So if you ask this Q&A a simple questions, so it will automatically create a visual, it will automatically get the answers for you. So I'll show you simple example. Suppose if I write total sales, okay, I hope you can see this, like what I'm writing, total sales. Okay, so beautiful. Power BI is automatically showing me, hey, your total sales is 118.73 million. I can verify it here. Okay, I can verify it is in the card chart. Okay, if I say, hey, can you get me the versus segment versus sales visual? Yeah, beautiful. You can see I am not done anything. You like I am just writing it naturally. Power BI as detecting my language. So whatever language I'm using, so whatever questions I am asking to Power BI, it is showing me the answers. So you can see sales versus segment. So can I go with country versus profit? Can you show me? Yeah, beautiful. You can see it is showing me country and it is showing me the profit also. So let me just increase this size. And if I want to use this visual, so if you want to turn this Q&A, like if you want to pick this visual, so you can just click on this button, like turn this Q&A result to a standard visual. Now you can see you got this visual created. So we have created by using a Q&A. So this is how it is created. If you want, double click it, again you get a Q&A. Now you can go with other one, like I want to check product with uh, profit. If I say product with profit, so it is showing me beautiful visual. Again, if you want to create this visual, I'll just click on this and your visual is ready. You can change that to a column chart, anything. So this Q&A visual of Power BI, or you can call this as AI visuals, is one of the most powerful visual across your Power BI. So any person, like if it may be a end user, it may be a client or anyone, if we ask a simple questions on this, it will answer you that. So if I say that, hey, can you tell me what is my total profit? So it will show you beautiful. You can see it is showing you the card that, hey, your total profit is 16.89 million. So you can ask any questions, it will answer. And even you can edit the suggestions also. So what I mean, suppose if I say total sales, hey, total sales. So Power BI know that sales, we got some sales here and it will calculate that entire column and it is showing me. So if I say, can you tell me total revenue? So someone may say that my sales, I'll call it as a revenue. So can you tell me what is my total revenue? So it is not showing you anything. It is showing the results of total profit. But I want total revenue. So I want to teach Q&A. Can you teach Q&A? Obviously, yes, you can teach Q&A. You can say that, hey, total revenue is nothing but it is your sale. So your client, your end user may type, he may not type total sales, he may type revenue, he may type total revenue. So can you teach Q&A? Obviously you can do that. There is a small gear option here, settings option. So you, once you hover your cursor, you can see that teach Q&A to understand people better, review question, people has asked and manage the terms. So once you click on, you get a new window that is saying that Q&A setup. So you can go, there are so many options here like field synonym. So in this financial table you can see what are the synonyms it has already picked. So instead of sales you can take auction, transaction, deal. Okay, so the synonym words for the sales are these all. So you can say that, hey, I don't want like auction or something. I want, if the user or if the end user enters sale, you'll get the answer. I want to add something. Hey, can you give me the same like revenue also? So when the user is typing revenue, I should get the sales only. So teaching, I am teaching the Q&A. So COG, obviously COG is there. I want, like, if you user enters COGS also, I should get this. Okay. So you can just do play around this unit sold. You can say that, hey, total units here, sum of if there is a sales price, you can write sale price, a sale hyphen price, something. So you can say not only profit, you can get total profit and so on. You can add the synonym. So here you have teach Q&A. So let us check. If I write total sales, so definitely I'll get that value here. You can see. So before that, if we have used total revenue, you have see you we have checked that total revenue did not get any answer. But now if I use total revenue, yeah, beautiful. It has learned. Your Q&A has learned. So let me close this and now let me type it here. Let me do it hands on and check. So if I write total revenue, you can see total revenue, it is giving you the sum of the sales amount. So this is how powerful your Q&A is. So in advanced part, we will be exploring all these options later on. So I have told you very simple like how you can use this field synonym and add the values. If someone says that for sales, he may say that what is my income. Okay, actually this is not relevant, but just if someone says income for their sales, so let I have added it. Now let me go and say that, can you tell me what is the total income here? So instead of revenue, if I write income here, income, it has learned. You can see here, this is your sum of the sales. Actually total income, you should get a total profit there. So you can do the respective changes. So if I go to field synonym, go to financial table, I don't want to add income in the sales here. I want to add income to the profit column. So I can add income here. Okay, and this works. Okay, this has learned. Now let me cancel out this. Now let me say total income. You got your profit. Beautiful. You can see you got a total profit. So this is your profit. So this is how your Q&A visual or Q&A in Power BI works. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning. Thank you.